Yeah, we live like gods. What is this, in the Spartacus time? Yeah, kiss my fucking ass. It's a rap game for you, fucking dumb shit. Skin the head to the next native species. Mikey gonna fucking preach it to you like native fucking scalper nigga. Out, nigga. Hit him up, nigga. Hit him up, nigga. Need some fucking weed, nigga. Some drugs, nigga. I busted up so big, nigga. When it's 8 niggas, God, nigga. GLD, you gotta get it and you got nigga. St. Mike doesn't say it's so high when he doesn't got the stairs. He goes down 6, nigga. So this shit because I didn't sing for them niggas. I'm sing because I haven't killed no nigga. Oh, bitch, I sent him in a black man again coming out with his head again. Shit is crazy, dog. But he just smacked the big fog. Nuclear bomb, nigga. Fire gas upon. You smoke weed and shut the fuck up and eat my bologna, my nigga. Yeah. Wanna break a face, I break it to ya. Kaka Mike, nigga, don't forget me, yeah. I don't get you, I forget you, so fuck you and your mama. Even though Osama bin Laden got the bombing of the fucking dead fluids because America just killed them when America fucking did a Bush tag, bitch. You don't get this shit, shush. The Illuminati protects the fucking world, so shush. Life has to die, life goes on, nigga. Hip hop, nigga. Dead as it's got to get. I have Mike's dead lips, kid. This is apocalypse, nigga. Oculus. I'm a master fucking manipulator, kid. We need to be more with God. We need to do his work. We need to learn St. Mike talk, nigga. Hip hop, wrap it up, shut up, put the mic down. Mic never goes down, and when the fight, come back on and talks. Hip hop, rap, dog disrespect crap. Shit, dog shit out of people's face, my nigga. I bust my rap more gooder. You stupid motherfuckers. I'm educated motherfucker. Golly knows words, nigga. Know how loyal it gets right out your fucking tongue and say out your fucking face cause you are not scared, little nigga. Human Mike nigga ain't scared shit. He talks his church fucking reptilian, don't get more HEPA. You are diseases of HIV, Ninas in your mama's Hawanas. Vietnamese, nigga. I will break it to you like see, my nigga. You don't messing with me, Vietnamese love me, cause I smoking the weeds and I'm chill like a monk, and you don't get too freaking funky with this funk shit. It's not hip hop, no rap, no dysfunctional. Michael's fucking words to tell you, nigga. I got power, I got clout on my face. I talk about hip hop ain't know what stop is to stop, nigga. If a rap is beef, it's good, nigga. If it's steak, you scout like Archangel Michael, my nigga. I get more copy than copyright that no copy, even Dax said it. So yeah, but I learned it from you. I allergic. I learned it from you, my nigga. So I bet you just believe me. You make me puke. You make me wanna freaking shit in tinfoil and smoke crack out of you, nasty ass nigga. You could do that shit to yourself, nigga. And lick the salt off my shit, not a bitch by the fact I'm so powerful. My loud mouth. Understand this, nigga. I'm saying fucking Mike. I'm in the fucking books at the last three fucking stupid endings of the fucking book. That's when I talking, nigga. You don't get more baka. You don't get gaga like me. You know me, nigga. Hip hop, you stony, nigga. You extremely like Medusa, stinking scallyhead snakes, my nigga. Well, guess what? My nigga, I'm drinking wine. Why my fucking life down to that, nigga? I miss Kayla, nigga. Can't understand any words, nigga. These words I learned from you, educated by you, nigga. I stick it to you. You understand it. And if you ain't a saint like Mike, nigga, shut up. If you don't stop at a certain spot of the fucking world to be good, nigga, not bad, nigga, who fuck is better than good as St. Michael, nigga? Archangel Michael, my nigga. More godly than ever will tell you the fucking world to change its fucking life, kid. Bitch, my life is great, nigga. You can learn from me, but you don't have to do what I do for my life, kid, to make you feel like you think you could be with me kind of shit. But I'm real, nigga. I'm in this world, nigga. I'm God, nigga. I can help you, nigga. Same fucking Mike, nigga. You need to help me too, nigga. Refund me my life career, nigga. I can't do it. Freaking resumes. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to do it. No resumes or applications, nigga. I already told you who the fuck I am. And my life on planet Earth, bust back, relax, get so good, get sane like me, cause I'm fucking good. I will kill your ass. I'm Michael Archangel, the Michael. The shit that I rap about is worth for you to even know me, nigga. But you still don't even get to fucking know a nigga, so I still bust my rap bigger than the neck, motherfucker. Bigelow, when I kill you with a millimeter, you think you're dead rapper gangster, my nigga, you are, nigga. I hip it up on who you are, nigga, where the fucking wild is that? I'm scattered around like scat shit, bitch ass, nigga. Bitch on my face, shitting on me like face sitting, porn shit, bag of might be watching in the bed, that nasty shit. But I do it cause it's funny as shit when our body gonna get their head fucking punched in by a big shit, the clogged up shit, you talking shit, oink oink, nigga, piglet, and I'm not going to jail for my murder, for this rap career shit, I shit up on this shit, shake, nigga, milkshake, itch my butt cause I don't stop aching out there, stinking aspirin, you're painting my fucking aspirin, you wanna go in your mom damn be a tampon, you go right here in the hinges, this shit, I'm just over there, I break the hinges, I bust my shit, better than I gotta know me kind of shit. It make me exist to exist. Like I came from my mama's pussy, piznit. I'm rapping jizz, I'm known for the shit shit. Yo, fucking talk the way you went without me, nigga. I'm fucking saying Mikey, my nigga. I keep you surrounded by me, my nigga. I will get this world as good for it to help me, my nigga. Now make it heaven, nigga. Having me, nigga. I keep it help, nigga. This is that fucking earth that needs to stay and understand me, nigga. Understand me, nigga. Understand me now, dog. I don't fucking talk for no dog. I talk for God, ho. I'm saying fucking Mike Archangel Michael. I make the world good. Again, if Trump doesn't make his shit, I know my politicians work with cops. Say Mike pass the test, connected on Earth, bust my shit, rap about whatever rap I see. This shit is like an execution, stinky butt shit illusion. This is like drama pubic. Fucking with me, you gonna know smart from stupid. I hit my shit from dumb nigga to motherfucking greatest of all fucking dumb about to motherfucking put weight on you like a fucking going up Planet Fitness, my nigga. So high, nigga, don't know how to witness this shit. Out protected like Illuminati body, baby. By God, I bodied by the Hushanaka, Hoochie, Kaka, Coochie, Booze. Hey, what's up with your rap, nigga? You ain't got no beef no more. I rip that shit out your head. I slice you no more, nigga. I'm done killing you, herbivores on my plan. Why we feeling good? Same Mikey shit. Kick it up in a little nigga. Even Dex is not Angel Dog. Don't let him talk way worse than me. Cause that dude can talk better quicker than a mile a second. Put a middle to the motherfucker. Kill shot. Break a nigga. Freaking, you already, Eminem's already dead. He's already God, nigga. But kill shot. But dog, this nigga kill shot. The did crack, dog. Did freaking undercover fucking police work in this rap business, and then he hides this shit out like 6ix9ine. I keep this shit more crazy, my nigga. You don't bust your shit more buzzy, my nigga. I don't mind my business, so shut the fuck up, my business. It's my business to tell your nigga stupid mouth, little shit. Shut up, fat mouth, before I break your fucking mouth. Kick your shit to your curd, dog. You so breakable like fucking Kit Kats, my nigga. I break my teeth until that break shit. I don't got a teeth for you, baby, bitch ass wine bags to think you're better than me. You wanna own your rap career and being known for disrespect. I hit the shit, I know my shit on planet Earth for shit, nigga. I'm God, nigga. Saint Michael like God, fucking good on planet Earth. You don't know me, dog. But I'm greater than this guy's to get. I preach, dog, and he gotta get more bigger than me. I bitch, dog, and I will break his shit to you like Saint Mike Archangel, like God. If he wants to be like God, did the test, he does it. If he wants to sit down and don't do nothing, he does it. So, bitch, it's the same life. You love it. You keep the shit hip hop. You loved it up, and you make your life worth. You love your life, kid, like bitch, nigga. You don't fucking with me, Mike, my nigga. I just fucking taste again, my nigga will beat you to your head. He ain't gonna be beatable like bitch nigga. I'm kinda making shit me, but I fucking get him one day, retire off the shit talk, dog. The rap dog, beef shit, earth shit, retired dog, like dead dog. Hit me up a nigga licking salt off my bigger liquor. You haven't fucking helped me, nigga. Bitch sucker shit, reform my life kicker. Your mama shit, nigga, sister. I make this shit out real quicker because, buddy, I need a career now, my nigga. Give me rap shit, just all beef shit. The beef shit was beef. I wear my steak out, homie. I kill you, nigga, like my kill. I'm very cocky on my killer. You wanna see me, my nigga? I'll show you it, my nigga. I'll break your shit. And then after that, Cost gonna kill the mic, my nigga. Cause I'm fucking biggest gangbanger up on this shit, nigga. How about that kind of shit, little nigga? I'm all the way over around the fucking shit. My family's gangster. I'm gangster. St. Mike is gangster. I'm gonna kick the devil's ass. That's fucking gangster. So suck my gangster, dog. You know that's the devil's power shit, archangel, nigga. You don't fucking fiddle this shit where I will teleport into going into your soul and make things good. Well, bitch, I'm a buster. The words I say, I still make it shit good. So whatever comes out my face is good. Bitch, you know what the words is? It could be named for living or killing, my nigga. And so a rich nigga, I be doing killing everybody's shit, nigga. Because, bro, like, you don't sip this shit like lean, nigga. You haven't dead, nigga. I did all my life shit like you, nigga. Learning from you, nigga. Rapper Jiznut's copy, nigga. Michael fucking Forrest Jr. just came on fucking video. I tell you, this is like heaven on earth, kid. It's already easy, nigga. Catholics, I learned it from. I learned everything from you, my nigga. And God, too, my nigga. So hip-hop, you niggas think you God. So, yeah, I'm God, Archangel Mike, like the fucking God. I'm the guardian angel of your dead fucking disrespectful mouth shit. I keep it up, my nigga. You don't get godly than me, my nigga. So stop your fucking talking, bitch, kick it. You not heaven, they don't talk, nigga. They probably don't talk, nigga. That's why Mike say you don't talk, nigga. Which is probably like in heaven we don't talk, nigga. So yeah, shut the fuck up if you're cock blocking the next obstacle. You know, get this shit scripts off a notebook you did before and you just didn't give a shit. You just learned everything from everybody's shit. Kick your mom, nigga. I saw my sins, nigga. I'm just Saint Mike, my nigga. Copy rat connection disconnected bitch ignorant bad motherfucker kicking the devil's shit so Hebrew old ass history loves his fucking history. You don't get more booker than me. I know your story more than I know my story. History, my story, your earth story, everybody's story. It's all our lives. You don't get this shit. That's the test, my nigga. Your life is the test, my nigga. So live it. Got such a dumb, don't you know it? He should do. This is the same stabilization got Mike got from. Don't get this shit, Mike, dog. I'm fucking human, nigga. You don't see the color, nigga. But I see you, nigga. As I'm Michael, my nigga. Blue, my nigga. Blue to my face. I'm telling you guys the fucking truth, nigga. Smoke the fucking weed, nigga. Love more, nigga. Be around people, connect, disconnect. Get to know a nigga without even nigga trying to judge a nigga. Only God could judge a nigga. And then Mike's not supposed to say the word nigga, so Mike gonna hopefully stop the word nigga before again the nigga be getting mad because bitch nigga. You niggas don't listen, nigga. You comprehend, bitch, nigga. Shit out my face. I'm talking real lines of cocaine. You should understand me, man. Before you're dead like Saint the fucking Mike, man. This shit is a vacuum cleaner kicking the devil's ass, man. I hit this shit up like a hypnosis name, man. The motherfucking Mike. I'm feeling good on my face to kick him up. I'm in the fucking guy, not in the couch, little nigga. And I fucking drink, little nigga. One day get up, little nigga. Church is my Bible, nigga. My chest, my heart, my blue motherfucking life kit. You don't get this shit more loyal. I keep this shit old, nigga. Bitch, why the fuck you have houses, nigga? Bitch, I thought I was history, kid. You nigga got books, nigga. You know God if you know God, little nigga. Know Mike before you know God, nigga. Cause God will freaking tell Mike, nigga, say Mike, nigga, planet Earth will help you worth life, kid. I am all over the fucking place, nigga. I could be good, I could be bad, however I feel like a little nigga. But if I get sinning into God, nigga, if I sin to God, nigga, I bust my rap better than you, nigga. Don't you even have anything to even understand me with, nigga. Bitch, I'm just gonna keep it talking, nigga. I ain't even fucking talking. I say my talking hypnosis. Y'all know my shit, nigga. You know my life, nigga. Let them know it. Stop disrespecting my lip, nigga. Because, beast, I don't want to die, nigga. And I could kick your ass so high, nigga. Either way with the angels, nigga. That's fucked. I'm like, I'm running out the door, ho. Bitch, I know you just a fuck hoe. Bitch, you always turning out the windows fucking cold. I'm fucking Michael, got bipolar. Tell you, open the fucking up, turn the fucking things back up, nigga. Going home to see my fucking baby and the fucking stupid ass, fucking stupid fucking dumb bitch in the doorknob bitch, nigga. Mike gonna talk his face cause he got words to tell a nigga. Bitch, I can go home and see your motherfucking mother freaking in the bathtub, freaking waxing her shit like my mom. Hip hop, nigga, life is so sad, nigga, fucking life, kid. I'm fucking Mike, nigga, suck a dick, nigga, know your life, kid. Talk your life, boss, you know your life, good thought. Say your good life and your fucking stupid thing instead of talking about grilling fucking cheeseburgers. You got money, kinda car, and shaka. Fuck you, you wanna kill shit. You think you're a kill shot? I bust everybody, shoot everybody out. I'll bust my rap. How I'm about this cloud is so powerful. Say Mike got power to tell you motherfuckers. Listen, nigga, to the voice beneath my shit. Beyonce gotta say something good. She gonna put a ring on me. Look at that when the moon was your combi. Body body boo, bubble body the sign. Paruni. I listen to all this music cause I'm making my funny, you good life kid. I bitch ass nigga with you, white your ass, you white your fucking with white nog. Bitch, that's white paint. Where's the black paint? Paint the fucking white house a black house, nigga. I hit these fucking shits up and keep it black, nigga. History, mine, nigga. I bust your bitch, you like her nipples so big, and I kiss her butt like Spartacus orange juice. Motherfucking talking orange, concentrate on motherfucker can't concentrate cause I eat your blood pussy. Hip hop got a purple and I pimp you like a pop a pimple dog. I get so crazy with this shit, but you bust your stupid mouth and you don't know how to talk right. To be with God, you ain't say to a human. To me, I make it feel like you gotta know me. Hip hop knows I'm just another but a crazy bitch, motherfucker in the government, killing everybody off, make them preach my bitch niggas. And they wanna kick my ass, and I'ma kick it. I'll bring Dax Joyner, cause the Archangels, nigga. Cause you niggas ain't no god, disrespecting every shit by the hookie. You want a loogie in your snot rocket? Is the world flat or round, fucking dumbass? The world is fucking flat when you're walking on the street, but you in a fucking rocket and you wanna know how to tell people if it's fucking flat around. Well, guess what? Rocket launcher Mike so big gonna tell ya it's flat on the ground, yeah. And then you go into a rocket ship, you fucking shit. Learn to fucking open your third eye, bitch. You from your Illuminati. You can't kill me. I'm already protected by what you gonna be known in the Bible for your basic instruction before living evil. When I kick your ass, little Sneeble, Mike gonna always come around and break your shit 'cause he's supposed to kick the devil's sin. Nigga, man, I'm fucking black and I'm with this rap career. I make it gooder than I'm Archangel Mike shitting on everybody's shit like Angelina. Can't get this shit. More scruff, more tough, more big dog. And who the fuck are you talking to, nigga? And why the fuck do I feel good for the shit that I'm fucking saying? I feel like I just took out a lot, nigga. And bitch, nigga, you know me now, nigga. So shut up, bitch mouth, nigga. My mouth is talking to you. And this rap ain't no beef until I break this shit out your teeth, my dog. You make me fucking whine, nigga, to make your shit in, nigga. See, man, this giver and shit, you won't do it, nigga. I'm playing fucking Eric shit's a lie, kid. Yeah, you want me to lie, same like it's a lie, nigga, live. And I live to be evil. And I want everything, nigga. And I'm saying, Mike, nigga, and I'm good like God, nigga, so everybody should have the equal amount of life, kid. And bitch, you don't make that shit chipmunks equal. You don't know this shit till you know how to be nice people. Flip it how people. Shit. This is life, kid. Well, I might say Mike's talking life, bitch. He's a gift for his shit, kid. He will kick the devil out you, son. And he will get a dying go to heaven, son. And kick the fucking devil, son. And bitch, you ain't no devil's brother. Cause bitch, motherfucker. Archangel Mike say Mike not supposed to kill his motherfucking brother, devil, nigga. Not on earth, nigga, but up there, nigga. Cause I'm dead, nigga. Moses of the fucking, you know your shit, buddy. I live my life more honey. I'm more true than this true mood. Wanna milk on me, I milked on you. Well, bitch, nigga, come to see me. Make a stickle, comes to call. I make this fucking educate for you to stick and understand Mike's capability of smarts. And that he fucking completed fucking stupid school. When he dropped out of fucking school because he didn't want to go to school. And then he went in the hospital, drugging up dead like a bitch motherfucker. And then after that, he was 3 years of school, nigga. And there was a lot of fucking shit telling me, signs, nigga, that I'm fucking Archangel Michael, my nigga. I let this shit drag till the day I fucking dead, my nigga. Kill me in my 10-pin bed, and fucking I don't stop, nigga. Bitch, roll a ball, nigga, ball and pen, kick your ass, motherfucker, genital. Nigga, you just a genital. One of you just came from your mom's pussy, my nigga. Till you gonna be connected, you ain't no pussy, no dick, nigga. You ain't nothing, you just a faggot, my nigga. So I stick it to you in a rap game, you should know, understand the biscuits, my nigga. Butter not everything is sweet and shit up for you to understand my shit, little nigga. I keep this shit sweet, eat cookies, Michael, nigga. I know my cigarettes, nigga. Look up, I get your Michael, my nigga. I smell like cigarettes and cookies, my nigga. So cigarettes and cookies, my nigga. Shiver my shit up in the ball sack of almonds, my nigga. I grasp on every fucking thing so I can be like God, my nigga. And like God, I will work for my life for you, my nigga. So hit this shit up, nigga. I fucking kick the devil for you, my nigga. I'm fucking saying, Mikey, I will tell you how I speak, my nigga. As my Mike, nigga, you gonna know me, you gonna like Mike, my nigga. So hit this shit, you gonna turn off the mic, nigga. If I can put the mic down, my nigga, and actually go on the ground, nigga, pray to him, nigga, because he's a prince of the church, nigga. So kibbles and bitch, nigga, bibbles and bubbles and bitch, nigga, bubble gum and the fucking gummy gum. Always talking, nigga, so yum yum. Nigga, chewing on my fucking tongue, because it tastes freaking awful, my nigga, and it hurts, my nigga, because medication, doctors don't want to give me nothing to fucking make it feel good. So fuck you, my nigga. I still take this shit fucking rash out on the whole world, my nigga. Even the government, the medical America, the whole fucking life that made me fucking medicinal marijuana, my nigga. That shit don't even fucking do nothing, my nigga. I do all the fucking other drugs in the world, nigga. I need some more pills, my nigga. So bitch, you don't even gotta kill this shit out to even get known for your shit, Padahan, nigga. This is what I talk about, bro. I'm fucking big, nigga. I see more visions than you can't even see the vision, nigga. If you're not from the Avengers, you don't know what you're talking mythology, kid. Cause you just your angels, not no human bitch. Or suck my sucker bitch. Stuck on a fucking hoe. Nigga, you got work to do, nigga. So shut up, pussies. Have a good Christmas day, my nigga. Look at salt off my big ginger. Cause I'm fucking my kid. You don't disrespect me no more, nigga. The beef's over, kid. Equals all this shit. There's never no beef with you, kid. It was just me trying to, maybe be known. Famous kid for some dumb shit, kid. Same Mike shit. Archangel Mike shit. In the video, fuck your mom, nigga. You don't get the shit still stuck up as a sticky bitch. I got the fucking ideas of it. Bro, nigga. I am smart, kid. I'm school, nigga. Bro, angels, archangels are real. Michael's real, nigga. So Michael doesn't fuck around, nigga. Nigga talks his shit, kinda motherfucker. I take all the Michaels, I'll take the world down, kid. Shut the fuck up, little nigga. How about that, nigga? Nigga, Saint Mike, nigga, got rapped, nigga, to tell everybody his ways, nigga. Don't be educated like him, nigga. Cause bitch, nigga, you're gonna know when you're gonna be dead, nigga. Mike Kell, nigga, kiss the devil's real quick shit. Saying like fucking angel shit on human or earth, kid. Aiming on your bitch ass. Your mama's a splish splash. God, I'm sick and tired of you. I'm not talking about you no more, nigga. I'm living my life, nigga. Human. But you can't stop sinning, Mike. Why? Because I'm always trying to act bad to try to get it, make God proud, nigga. That's what you gotta do, nigga. On planet Earth, little nigga. Is test, nigga. You can't get more tested, nigga. It's all fucking easy, nigga. They made this country fucking good. It's heaven on little earth, lot mine, nigga. You know my life, kid. Shut up, man. Fuck you talking shit, break. Put the fucking pointer to your head. It's the best direction, the big erection, Moby Dick. You be sucking on dildo. No big deal, nigga. Moby's pretty damn big for your motherfucking mouth, little nigga. Cause me, my nigga, me and my dick are going to your mouth, nigga. Will suck the soul vacuum clean you out, nigga. Like bitch, nigga. Saint Mike will make you fucking saints, nigga. As bitch niggas and the fucking cops are as strong as me, nigga. So bitch nigga, not yet, nigga. Because I don't fight, nigga. So when they not stronger than me, they get a butt whip, nigga. Because, man, they don't black slave me, kid. Because, me, I work with you guys. Oh, shut up, assholes. No, Blue Papa lit late. I'm fucking lit all day. Well, you love me, niggas. I always rap for you. Shut up. Shut up, everybody fucking know. Shut up, nigga, Mike. Shut your fucking mouth, Mike. Like the salt off my big nigga, God, nigga. Fuck you, God. I break your shit in, nigga. We have a relationship, nigga. I do my duty on fucking Earth, kid. Bitch, nigga, work is what I fucking work for, nigga. My mouth is what it's for, nigga. Saint Mike gonna tell you life, kid. And you get in life, nigga. And I want a job, nigga, right now, nigga. I want my life, kid. I want an actual life, kid. Not 3 lives, nigga. So fuck your life, kid. I see evictions, nigga. I see myself in jail, kid. You're being pissing me off, kid.